Froggie went a-courtin' and he did right, Froggie went a-courtin' and he did right, Froggie went a-courtin' and he did right, a sword and a pistol by his side, oh yeah. Well, he rode up to Miss Mouse's door, Well, he rode up to Miss Mouse's door, Well, he rode up to Miss Mouse's door. He knocked so hard that it made it roar, oh yeah. Well, he said, Miss Mouse, will you marry me? Well, he said, Miss Mouse, will you marry me? Well, he said, Miss Mouse, will you marry me? Oh, Miss Mouse, how I love thee, oh yeah. Where will the wedding supper be? Where will the wedding supper be? Where will the wedding supper be? We'll get married in a sycamore tree, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Today has been a lonesome day. Today has been a lonesome day. Today has been a lonesome day. But tomorrow's gonna be the same old way. Did you ever hear those church bells? Did you ever hear those church bells moan? Did you ever hear those church bells moan? It means my darling's dead and gone. Girl to the burial ground. They carried my girl to the burial ground. They carried my girl to the burial ground. I cried, oh God, as they laid her down. Dig my grave with a silver spade. Go dig my grave with a silver spade. Go dig my grave with a silver spade. And mark the spot where I must lay. Today has been a lonesome day. Today has been a lonesome day. Tomorrow's gonna be the same old way.
My life was filled with such sorrow, a soul with no one to care. God heard my prayers and He called me. I'll meet my Lord way up there.
A golden rainbow lights the way of the path I will ascend to a kingdom up on high. It's my home at journey's end.
His love was so sweet and so faithful. His life He gave just for me. Trials and temptations seem endless. He rules over all eternity.
A golden rainbow lights the way of the path I will ascend to a kingdom up on high. It's my home at journey's end.
There's many here on this journey, so heavy their burdens they bear. As they reach up toward the pathway, you'll hear their voices in prayer.
A golden rainbow lights the way of the path I will ascend to a kingdom up on high. It's my home at journey's end, journey's end. My very heart for you is crying. I knew you'd want your walking shoes. Why did you go and leave me? Then brag about those awful blues. I might have known that you'd be leaving. Don't change the old left for the new. I need you now and want you near me. I've got those gone and left me blue. Don't tell me you have found out. My heart could never stand the news. I need you now and want you near me. I've got green shoes. Why did you go and leave me and brag about those awful blues?
They tell me, Father, again tonight you wed another bride, that you will hold her in your arms where my poor mother died. They say her name was Mary too, the name my mother wore. But Father, is she kind and true, like the one you loved before? And is her footsteps soft and light, her voice so soft and mild? And do you think she'll love me too, your blind and helpless child?
Now, Father, let us kneel down here and to our Savior pray, that God's right hand may lead you both up life's long weary way. The prayer was ended and the song, I'm weary now, she said. Her father took her in his arms and put her on the bed. And as he turned to leave the room, a mournful cry was given. He turned to catch her last sweet smile. His blind child was in heaven. They buried her by her mother's side and raised a marble fair. And all it were these simple words, there'll be no blind ones there.
The family who prays will never be parted. Their circle in heaven unbroken shall stand. God will say, enter, thy good faithful servant. The family who prays never shall part.
Satan has parted our fathers and mothers, filling their hearts with envy and hate, aiding their pathways down to destruction, leaving their children like orphans to stray.
The family who prays will never be parted. Their circle in heaven unbroken shall stand. God will say, enter, thy good faithful servant. The family who prays never shall part.
and tornadoes are taking our loved ones, leaving us tearful with envy and hate. But we shall join them over the river, for the family prays never shall part. The family who prays will never be parted. Their circle in heaven unbroken shall stand. God will say, enter, thy good faithful servant. The family who prays never shall part. I'm going today. I'm going to Georgia to wear my life away. I once loved a young girl as pure as my life. Once I had promised to make her my wife. I fulfilled this promise to brighten my life. You see what's become of her being my wife. I'm going to Georgia, I'm going today. I'm going to Georgia to wear my life away. My foot's in the stirrup, my life's in your hand. I'm courting you, darling, to marry you if I can. I'm leaving Virginia, I'm going to Rome. I'm going to Georgia to make it my home. I'm going to Georgia, I'm going today. I'm going to Georgia to wear my life away. The children are hungry, I'm sick in my bed. No one here to help me, I wish I was dead. Oh, beefsteak when I'm hungry, whiskey when I'm dry, greenbacks when I'm hard up, and heaven when I die. I'm going to Georgia, I'm going today. I'm going to Georgia to wear my life away. I'm going to Georgia, I'm going today. I'm going to Georgia to wear my life away. Down where the river bends, with God's help we'll meet again, under the same old sycamore tree, proud of each other and the land of the free. It's hard to keep the tears out of my eyes, for this may be her last goodbye. Your country calls you to defend this great land, so you'll do your part just like a man. Down where the river bends, with God's help we'll meet again, under the same old sycamore tree, proud of each other and the land of the free. I'll go down to the ocean blue and get as close as I can to you. Though this old ocean may keep us apart, it won't keep you, dear, out of my heart.
Down where the river bends, with God's help we'll meet again, under the same old sycamore tree, proud of each other and the land of the free.
If the worst should happen and the poppy should wave over your far and lonely grave, all the rest of my life I'll spend in prayer. I'll meet you in heaven, there's no wars there.
Down where the river bends, with God's help we'll meet again, under the same old sycamore tree, proud of each other and the land of the free. City limits, I'm starting out brand new.
I need a change of scenery, need it real bad to help me forget all the troubles. I've got a feeling I'll find a love that's true. Hello, city limits, I'm starting out brand new.
Hello, city limits, I see your sign. Left all my worries way behind. Left all my troubles and heartaches there too. Hello, city limits, I'm starting out brand new.
Just where I'll be if I don't want the blues to catch up with me. I may decide to change my name too. Well, hello, city limits, I'm starting out brand new.
Hello, city limits, I see your sign. Left all my worries way behind. Left all my troubles and heartaches there too. Hello, city limits, I'm starting out brand new. I see your sign, left all my worries way behind. Left all my troubles and heartaches there too. Hello, city limits, I'm starting out brand new. Hello, city limits, I'm starting out brand new.
Sailing out on the ocean, many miles from home on sea, and I if you ever think of me, I'm just an old true lover roaming through this world alone, and I have no one to love me. Through this life I'll always roam. I was once carefree and happy when I won my sweetheart's hand, and now my life is empty since she wed another man. You remember, little darling, just how much I cared for you, and you told me that you loved me, but you've proved to be untrue. I'm traveling far, darling, many a miles from this old place, and I know I'll never forget you, your sweet smiles and happy face. I can hear my mother calling, I can see my father pray. If I'd listened to my father, I would be at home today.
That's why I cry, don't know why.
There was a day, a sunny day, when you declared your love for me, but now away from me you've turned, your smiling face I'll no more see.
I don't know why it is that I love you, I don't know why it is that I cry, for you have gone and now you love another. That's why I cry, don't know why.
There'll come a time, another day, when you will want my love, you see. Will be too late to come back then, my smiling face you'll no more see.
I don't know why it is that I love you, I don't know why it is that I cry, for you have gone and now you love another. That's why I cry, don't know why. I don't know why it is that I love you, I don't know why it is that I cry, for you have gone and now you love another. That's why I cry, don't know why. That's why I cry, don't know why. Plant some flowers by my graveside, just a little bunch of them. Makes no difference what they are, dear, since your hands have planted them. Darling, when you pass the graveside and see my name there on the slab, won't you stop a little while, dear, for I will be so lonesome there. Plant some flowers by my graveside, just a little bunch of them. Makes no difference what they are, dear, since your hands have planted them. You will do this, won't you, darling? For this is my one request. Makes no difference what they are, dear, for I'm the one that loves you best. Plant some flowers by my graveside, just a little bunch of them. Makes no difference what they are, dear, since your hands have planted